It's pretty windy outside today, but just to give you a little idea of where we're at, there's 3 sheds. 2 of them I know have a bunch of stuff in them. We'll be selling that Jayco Eagle 5th wheel. Of course, everything in the house, yard art, and it's a cool place, except holy cow, it's been windy lately. So anyway, I'm gonna head into the garage now. Here's another view. It's a really pretty place. Lots of stuff out around the yard that we'll be selling. Okay, so here I am in the shop. He was quite a woodworker, but he has tools for everything. So of course, there's all this stuff. Everything will be for sale in here. I'll just walk around so you can kind of get a look at what's available. These are all full. Yep. Lots of stuff. It's all gotta go. The house. Gotta empty the house. That's what we do. This apparently is a welder. My favorite thing in here is this vise. Oh my gosh, check it out. It's huge. And let's see, I can't read that because I don't have my glasses on, but maybe you can see that. It's really cool. Never seen one like that before, and we've done hundreds of estate sales. Okay, now I'll go over here. This is pretty interesting too. Locks up and everything. So now I'm going to go in the other room. Oh yeah, here's another one of my favorite things. This welding table. Solid steel.
1 inch thick.
It's 1 inch thick. So, and there's a lot of really cool tools here. Look at these C-clamps. All right, so I don't even know what we have in here. My first look. Okay. Yep, lots of great stuff. Well, it kind of gives you an idea. Now, this is just one part of the sale. I will show more things in the house and out in the yard as we get things set up. So you can find us at ableestatesales.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll find it at Able Estate Sales. You can search, probably have a link to it. And I'll just do a series of shorts because it's a little bit easier to watch. So this is mainly the tools, although there are a few more in the house.